Day with the Doctor is an experience for our high school students in both Central Louisiana and North Louisiana. Our students come from various parts of the state to learn about our medical school and to learn about our hospital. During Day with the Doctors, they will experience the best that primary care has to offer here in North Louisiana, and hopefully most of them will be inspired to go into medicine in some field. Today, they will have time filled with suturing. They will have a clinical skills section where they'll learn about taking vital signs, blood pressures, reflexes. They're going to go into our simulation lab and have some simulation cases so they can really become a doctor for the day. They're also going to take a tour of the medical school and see some of the other primary care specialties that we have to offer: pediatrics, internal medicine, OBGYN. LSU Medical Center was founded on the principle of promoting, teaching, and sending out primary care physicians into our rural and underserved areas. Our Day with the Doctor program really holds to that mantra, and we want our children to come and learn about what this medical school has to offer and see the many different ways that they can be a part of the medical community, both in rural and underserved areas. I'm really excited that all of our students are here today, and I hope to see them again one day in medical school at LSU Health Shreveport.